Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. This is Saitram Malayala. In this particular video, I'm going to give you a brief idea about float free slide. Of course, I already made a video regarding that in detail. If you want to watch that particular video, I'll be leaving that video link in the iTabs as well as in the description. Just go and watch that video before watching this particular video. So, and also at the end, I'm going to give you some important tips which you need to keep in mind before choosing float free slide so that it won't create a problem in the later stage. So, without taking much time, let's get into the video. So for example, before starting the main video, so now let me just give you some brief idea about float free slide. If you are freezing it, for example, you got NIT Surathkal and you are happy with it and you wanted to freeze it, complete the admission process. So if you don't want to wait for any other upgradations and you are happy with the option which you got, you can choose freeze. That is fine. When it comes to slide, for example, you got Surathkal EC, which is 8th option. If you choose slide, same campus, above options, different branch. Surathkal IT is there. So here it is IAI is there, CSC. So if there is a possibility in these three options, if you choose slide, so if there is a possibility in these three options, they may allot you that particular seat. Now when it comes to float, you got Surathkal ECE, fine. Irrespective of the campus, any above option out of above 7 options, any option if you want. So if there is a possibility, you can get that option. So that is about float. So now I hope you got a clear idea about float free slide. These things though everyone will say, like every YouTuber will say, every teacher will say, every one of your friend will say that, every one of you also already know about float free slide. But the main important thing, majority of the students don't know. Only very few know about these things is, before going to the video, Unacademy is coming up with this T20 Champion Test Series, 30 questions, 20 minutes, and you can win scholarships and Amazon vouchers every day from 7th October to 29th October. You can enroll now, link in the description, and my code CharanYT. And head start your ITJ preparation with guidance from top educators and top rankers. So preparation strategy, counseling, academic planning, and more. So October 30, 10 a.m. to 1:15 p.m. You can enroll for this particular webinar freely using the link and my code CharanYT. And these are all the topics they are going to discuss in that particular meet. And a crash course batch for JEE Mains 2022 2.0 is starting from 27th October. So these are all the faculty they are going to teach that particular batch. If anyone is interested, they can enroll for this particular batch. And same like that for droppers mains and advanced both combinedly, Excel batch 2.0, these are the faculty. So they are going to start this batch from 27th October, that is today. So if you want to enroll, link in the description and my code CharanYT for flat 10% discount. These are Unacademy champions, so you can just check out them. And I also have been regularly taking classes on Unacademy related to JOSA counseling strategy sessions. So if you want to join those sessions, just follow me on Unacademy profile. Profile link is in the description. So guys, you will choose freeze. Okay, for example, this is a X round and this is in further rounds. So for example, in a X round you got so and so allotment and you freezed it. So once you freezed it, so when it comes to upcoming rounds, so of course it will be staying in freeze. And you can't shift that to float and you can't shift that to slide. So that is for sure. And again, of course, once you are freezed, you have to wait until the all rounds of JOSA counseling is completed. So once every round completes, you need to verify your documents with the college you got. Okay, for example, you got NIT Surathkal CSC and you freezed it, and at the end of all the 6 rounds, after 6 rounds, you need to directly report to the college. If it is online, you have to do the online process. If it is offline, you need to go to the college and complete the process of document verification and physical reporting. So that depends on the situation. And now when it comes to in round 1, you got so and so seat and you choose float. So when you choose float, in the next rounds, first round you choose float and second round you got upgradation or the same option is left. Still, you have a chance to convert that into freeze. You have a chance that chance to convert that into float. Of course, you can keep it in the float. If you don't choose any option, automatically it will be converted into float because you already choose float in the previous round. So if you don't choose anything, it will be float. Okay, and you can also convert that into slide. It's up to you when you choose float in the round which you got allotment, or else for example, in second round directly you got the allotment and you choose float. In the third round also. So you can convert that into freeze or slide or float. It's up to you. And now comes the main important thing. This is where the main thing lies. Many students don't know this. When you choose slide, once you choose slide, so either you can go for freeze or slide. Once you choose a slide, in the next rounds, you can either go to slide or continue with the slide, or you can either freeze the seat. But you cannot shift that slide to float. So this is one of the important thing. So if you already kept slide now, so you have an option called, just check this screenshot which I am keeping on the screen. You can see change willingness option is also available. Those who choose the slide without knowing this particular thing, so if you want to change it to float or freeze, you have the option to change that now. So use the change willingness option in your dashboard. Just log in and check for that option. So you can check the screenshot. This particular student has choose float. If she wanted to convert that into slide or freeze, so before the deadline she need to convert that willingness. So that option is also available. So if unknowingly you did some mistake, you can rectify that. So there is one student who messaged me regarding this particular thing, so that is why I wanted to inform you guys. Without knowingly he kept slide and he wanted to float it. So I just checked the dashboard. There is an option to change willingness, so you can change that to float or freeze based on your wish. If you already chose slide without knowing this particular thing, it's up to you with which option you wanted to choose. And I hope you are clear with this. And if you find this as a time worthy video, please do like, share and subscribe. See you in the next one. Until then, take care. Bye bye. Jai Hind.